this approach has been brought forward by these days a very famous company, I believe, BioNTech, which probably all got to some level exposure to their drugs, so their COVID vaccines, and they are also actually a cell therapy branch, and they developed and demonstrated in preclinical work a few years ago a concept that would use a CAR in conjunction or in combination with an mRNA vaccine. And the purpose of this mRNA vaccine, which would then be taken up by dendritic cells or by other immunostimulatory cells, that these cells would then express the antigen and present it to the CAR. And so the idea would be that this CAR would not only rely on tumors as being the source of antigen, but could get the stimulation and perhaps also the pre-activation already by endogenous immune cells, just by having them expressing the targets through this mRNA approach. And preclinically, they could show that this works beautifully. So in terms of boosting the CAR T cell activity, also where CARs typically don't have an effect. And they launched then a phase 1 clinical trial in claudin-expressing cancers. As I believe that most of them were germ cell cancers that would express this target at quite high level. And they're currently investigating the clinical efficacy first of either agent, which was maybe not super convincing, but it seems that that when they combine with the mRNA vaccine, they get quite a boost in the efficacy of the CAR, potentially implicating that this might be, at least for this antigen and for this disease, a potentially attractive way to boost the effectivity and to overcome some of the limitations that I've just highlighted to you.